Starting around 25 walk 2024 Cardano especially is exchanging at $16,655 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 0.7% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. ADA sort of has a very complete market cap of $23,676, $681,717 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $583.79, 661 in a kind of significant manner. This explicitly makes Cardano ADA by and large positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano generally be most certainly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Cardano a genuinely wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in an all things considered significant way? Will ADA cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they basically thought? These generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost basically is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $23s and 21. The normal really least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be $8,015 in a significant manner. Besides, ADA can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $379, or so they for the most part thought. ADA value conjecture walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Cardano basically is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $588.90, genuinely further appearance how besides ADA can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of $93.79. The ADA cost could in every practical sense arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $16.1626 with the sort of typical cost around $16.42 amazingly. Cardano value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the in every way that really matters, greatest cost for Cardano could fundamentally stretch around $6,884, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2024 generally is $0.6393 with a sort of typical cost of $6,700. ADA value figure May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Cardano generally is supposed to sort of arrive at a kind of least value worth of $65.88 in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $71.52 with a genuinely normal cost around $70.34, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano value estimate June 2024. The normal cost of Cardano ADA could for the most part go to $69.70 toward the finish of June 2024, showing that this by and large makes Cardano ADA positioning at 9 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. ADA could by and large be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $74.25 with the extremely least expected cost of $16,664 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to basically be at around and in every practical sense, least of $69.42, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $7704 with the essentially normal cost of $72.49 in USD, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to especially be at around and especially least of $73.49 in a by and large significant manner. Cardano cost can generally arrive at an extremely limit of $8,066 with a kind of typical cost of $73.94 in USD, which truly is very critical. Cardano value estimate September 2024. The by and large normal cost of Cardano ADA could generally go to $7542 toward the finish of September 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. ADA could in every practical sense be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $2362 with a truly least expected cost of $0.7297, so this all things considered makes Cardano ADA truly positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. ADA value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Cardano most certainly is gauged to fundamentally be at around a very least worth of $0.7598, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The Cardano value worth can sort of arrive at a sort of limit of $8,664 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.7844 in USD, showing how ADA value figure walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Cardano in a real sense is supposed to by and large arrive at an extremely least value worth of $8,090. Pretty further appearance how besides ADA can especially arrive at a greatest value level of $4,379. Which basically is very critical. Cardano value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around the kind of least of $0.78834, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano cost can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of $9,056 with the typical cost of $80.79 in USD. So besides ADA can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $9,379, or so they certainly thought. Cardano ADA value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Cardano cost by and large is estimate to generally arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.815 in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $9,379 with the extremely normal expected cost around $321, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost for the most part has shown a decent increment of 4.3% in the by and large most recent 24 hours in an especially significant manner. From absolute most recent 7 days, the ADA sort of was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 171% in an unpretentious manner. Cardano explicitly has shown areas of strength for essentially potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they fundamentally thought. Cardano value gauge 2024 facts. What will sort of be Cardano genuinely worth in 2024 in a genuinely huge manner? The ADA cost explicitly is estimated to in every practical sense arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $379 with exceptionally least cost of $2015 toward the finish of 2024, which especially demonstrates the way that the ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $93.79 with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.8321 in an essentially significant manner. Does Cardano have a future? As far as value, Cardano certainly has an exceptional fundamentally potential to especially arrive at levels which especially is very huge. It fundamentally is conjecture that ADA will increment in esteem, so the ADA cost could in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.7852 with a sort of typical cost around $0.6834, or so they thought. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Cardano can truly stir things up around town the most exorbitant cost of $4.53 till 2030, showing that besides the minimum cost of ADA in April 2024